Hello everyone. Today we are going to conduct a lecture on electron beam machining, that is EBM. This is Professor Akshay Dekne from Mechanical Department of SSM Arsoor Polytechnic, SAS Ahmednagar, and this topic EBM is from program ME5I, that is Mechanical Engineering 5th semester I scheme, under the MSBTE, that is Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education. Now see what is meant by electron beam machining. It is one of the metal removing process in which when the electrons are focused and concentrated on a small spot on the metal, the kinetic energy of electrons is converted into heat energy, which is sufficient to melt the workpiece. When this technique is used on the metal, it's called as electron beam machining. And the metal removal rate is up to 40 mm cube per second. Electrons are focused and concentrated on a metal, so the kinetic energy of electron is converted into heat energy, which is useful to cut the workpiece. It means in EBM we are using electron beam for metal cutting. Okay, now see the principle of EBM, on which principle EBM is working. When a high velocity beam of electron is focused on workpiece, the electron strike on the workpiece and their kinetic energy is converted into heat energy. This heat results in removal of material from the workpiece by vaporization and melting. In short, with the help of electron beam, we have to cut the material in this process. Let us see how the setup of EBM and what are different components of electron beam machining. This setup consists of 6 basic units: electron gun, then magnetic lens. These are the magnetic lens provided. Magnetic deflection coil. So deflection coil in yellow colored indication. Movable table. This work table is movable. Then monitoring instrument and vacuum chamber. These are the basic elements. Along with this, a high voltage cable, cathode grade, optical viewing system, viewing pod, vacuum chamber, electron strip, valve. All these supporting systems are also used in this electron beam machining. Okay, this is the complete setup of EBM. Let us see what are different functions of each and every element. First of all, electron gun. It consists of cathode, a grade of cup, and anode. When cathode is heated, it emits electron by thermoionic emission. The grid helps in narrowing the beam. Second important part is magnetic lens. This magnetic lens further converges the beam into a narrow spot on the workpiece. Magnetic deflection coil, the third element, which is used to deflect the beam further at different spots. Movable table at the bottom. This table is used to mount the workpiece, and the table is numerically controlled to move under a beam. Then these are two most important elements, that is monitoring instruments. A light microscope is kept to monitor the complete process. The operator can adjust the position of workpiece as per the requirement and observe the actual machining process. Now in vacuum chamber, a vacuum kept in the chamber helps in the following things. First thing is that the beam retains its narrow configuration over a long distance. The electrons do not lose energy by collision with the air molecule, and electrons emitted maintain their high velocity until they strike the workpiece. These are about the different instruments under the setup of electron beam machining. Now see the working of EBM, how it will work. The electrons which comes out of the electron gun and pass through the magnetic lens possess a very high energy. When this narrow stream of electron strike on the workpiece, the kinetic energy of that electrons is converted into heat energy, and this heat melts the workpiece. So this is the working. It means that from the electron gun, electrons are comes out of the electron gun and pass through the magnetic lens having high energy, and these high stream electron strike on the workpiece where exactly we want to cut the material. So at this place the kinetic energy of electron is converted into the heat energy, and this heat melts the workpiece. This is the working of EBM. Now see the advantages of EBM. As beam is used as a tool, there is no wear of tool. Drilling of tapered hole is also possible. Then high speed performance of any kind of material. It means high speed perforation of any kind of material. Also here tool used is a beam. So here knife edge tool is not used or metal tool is not used. So there is no wear of the tool. It is one of the advantage. In disadvantages, obviously the electron beam is used, so the high initial cost of equipment. Size of workpiece is limited to size of vacuum because the vacuum chamber is having limited size. Up to that size we can use only the workpiece, and skilled operators are also required to operate the process because to move the table, to focus on a particular point where you want to cut. For all this purpose, skilled operators are required. In application of EBM, the process is mainly used for welding, drilling of micro holes in turbine blade, then micro machining operations on thin material like drilling, scraping, etc. All these things we can do with the help of electron beam machining. So student, in this video, what we have seen, what is mean by EBM, principle of working of EBM, setup of electron beam machining, the different components and their working of whole process, how the metal will get removed from the electron beam, and the advantages, disadvantages and applications of electron beam machining. Thank you very much.